September has ended, Pintober has begun. Let's stand together in this fight against cancer.
Alright. So, as I said, this is where we stand. Even though there's a pandemic going on outside, there's still men and women who are on a daily battling for their lives with cancer, not just breast cancer. And my donation will be going to, our donation will be going to the Jamaica Cancer Society, and I'll be donating $50 to the Jamaica Cancer Society. For all the people who are joining and not know why the hell I'm shaving my head right now, I'm shaving my head in support of the men and women who are brave and humble throughout their fight with breast cancer and any cancer at all. Watch this. If you shave your bros, I shave my bros. What about that? I keep it like this. I like it. I should have shaved out here first. Yo, our waves are coming. What? You can't just be shave your eyebrows off. You have to make a donation. I got the naps. I got the naps in the back. Alright. So, as I said, this is where we stand. All the hair on my head's gone. And never felt better.
For the entire month of Pintober, our black and white hats will only have pink logos to present our stand behind breast cancer awareness.